everybody, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to share with you a detailed review of a book called What's the Time, Mr. Wolf by Debbie Glowry. Now, this book is published by Bloomsbury publisher. I'll quickly read what's written on the back of the book. What's the time, Mr. Wolf? Why do Mr. Wolf's friends keep bothering him? And why are they acting so strangely? Perhaps they are planning a special surprise. Join Mr. Wolf from breakfast until bedtime and have fun spotting all of your favorite nursery rhymes, characters from Little Red Riding Hood to the Three Little Pigs. What's the time? It's story time. So basically this book, you can use this book to introduce the concept of time to the hour to toddlers. It has a very fun storyline about Mr. Wolf, where they have shown his routine, his daily routine from breakfast to bedtime. Now, I bought this book from Amazon for 210 rupees. Now, the price might range from 190 to 240 rupees. So, it depends. Sometimes they have more discounts. So, I will put a link of this book in the description bar below if you're interested to buy the book. Now, the reading age, the recommended reading age from the publisher is 4 to 8 years. But I have been successfully using this book for my 2-year-old son. He's 2 years and 4 months old. I wanted to introduce the concept of time to him, so that's why I purchased this book. And I think it has worked pretty well. It has worked really well, in fact. He now says it's 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock in the morning. He's aware of the concepts of breakfast time, nap time, bedtime. So I think this book is really good to introduce the concept of time to your toddlers. Now, the book has a total of 32 pages. And the size of the book, as you can see, it's a big book. It's a nice big book. The dimensions of the book are 28.04 into 0.97 into 25.22 centimeters. The paper quality is, it's slightly thicker than normal paper. It has a glossy finish, but you have to be careful. It's terrible. As you can see, my son has already torn one page. So it's not a board book, so you always have to be careful when the pages are slightly thinner. But overall, I think these are good quality paper. Now, the things that I like about this book is that the illustrations are really playful. They have used characters from fairy tales such as Red Riding Hood, the Gingerbread Man, the Three Little Pigs, as you can see here. So I think most of the children are familiar with these characters, so they kind of connect with the book very well. Also, they have it has a very good storyline, and o'clock, this concept, this 9 o'clock, this has repeated. This has been repeated in every page, so children get familiar with it. And they can pick it up very easily. So it refers to daily routine activities such as like nap time, shopping time, party time. So children kind of get aware of those concepts as well. As you can see, the pictures are really bright, colorful, nice, full-size pictures as it is a big book. And yeah, in general, I think I really liked the book. It is a good book to introduce concept of time, but I would recommend you to use a model clock with the book if you want to really teach those children, because then it's just written here 4 o'clock. They should have actually shown a picture or a clock. Maybe that would have been really useful. But if you use a clock along with it, then it's going to work amazingly. So overall, I really like the book. From me, I'm going to give it a rating of 9.5. Like I said, I wish they had put a picture of a clock here. At a few places they have, on a few pages, like here, yeah. Here they have given a picture of a clock, but I wish they had given it on all the pages. That would have been amazing. But still, overall, I think it's a really good book. It works very well. When I bought the book, to my surprise, I thought, it's an okay book. It's not that good. But when I started reading it out to my son, he enjoyed it so much. In fact, like every single day he brings this book to me. It's his top favorite book, and he'll be like, I want to read this book. What's the time, Mr. Wolf? And all the characters, and like this Chinny Chin Chin. This is all these words are his favorite. So I think it's a big hit amongst children. Some books, when we read it as adults, we think it's an okay book, but it really connects very well with the children. That's the most important thing. So yes, if you're interested in teaching the concept of time to your children, go ahead and buy this book for your toddlers. I think it's going to be really helpful. Like I mentioned earlier, I'm going to give a link of the book in the description bar below. Please feel free to check it out. That's it for this video, friends. Take care and stay safe.